gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
You don't have no soul. You don't come in like when shoes soul mash up. I say whole and you stay. You can't do better because you don't respect woman. And a woman you come from a whole and you is a pack of man in a house of parliament. The whole and you. You only take wife put on the yard just to cover up on shame. But everybody don't know you know. Everybody don't know no. Nigel Clark. How comes you come and talk about who know? Are we superior? Eh? You look like you don't know what you say. How you feel be our superior? How we make you know there which part you know there? How we make you know there where you know there? How we, the people of Jamaica, make uno day which part uno day, make uno can come show off and we talk about superior. Any sup uno in there, sup uno a suck uno one another because you all have a tongue ring in your tongue. You're a worthless, dirty man. Uno is some bad mind set of people. You, Nigel Clark, uno bad mind and dirty. Me say, he whole and who both help you, he cabinet want reshuffle. He want reshuffle and take out the whole and who man in a house of parliament, who know wear skirt, and who wear frock, and who wear G-string. At that the house of parliament resign down too. Michael Manley put away from this jail, this PNP government. The man dead and gone. He must have turned in and grave to see how Jamaica people them really becomes. And some little dirty him jail people them. You know which part Andrew Wellness mostly go? He go in a area them when no say them people they uncivilized, then they back at time. They don't know nothing what go on about the world. And about Jamaica, that's why he choose to go. Down in some hills and valley where them the people they hardly come up in a town. So they don't know nothing what go on in a world. They don't know nothing what go on more than them go cook them 1 and 2 dumpling and them piece of salt mackerel in a kitchen. And that's it. At them the place you choose to go and do wholeness. You see, you know? Me say, karma is real, you know, Andrew. Karma is real. And no matter how no sooner ride up on a horse, no member say karma out there. Member say karma out there. Karma out there, Andrew Wellness. Look how you take Jamaica and you put Jamaica down, especially the poor people them. You don't have no use for we. After you get in a parliament, you walk around and you shake people and you tell people thanks before you get through and get there. But now when you get there, all you want to do a kill we. All you want to do a kill we. But I know you see them the leaf drop in the water rotten. And I know one day monkey want wife. Monkey want wife every day. So you're not going to go back in there now. So do your best bet right now, Andrew Wallace. Do your best bet. Because you not go back in there. Because everybody turn against you. Everybody and their face I saw them mostly hypocrite them. We don't have no use in a society and don't have no mother nor no father just like you. Because you take on parents and you put on parents and take man over on mama and papa. You take man over on mother and father. You take man especially over on mother and start to deal with man to man is so unjust. So you can't do better. The whole in the House of Parliament, there whole of a fish, a swim in a sea. You some wicked set of nastiness. You some nastiness. You some wicked nastiness. But the fool and his money shall depart. The fool and his money shall depart.
So alright my viewers and subscribers, and I hear what this data here say. So all of them are wobble. I know them are wobble. From the Prime Minister can go up on platform, go tell people say them are adjust to this rainbow type of vibe and the church are accept it. My viewers and subscribers, all time people say show me your friend, the company, me tell you who you are. And these are the company the Prime Minister keeps, so you don't have to use sleep and mark that. You don't tell me what you think about him in the comment section.
We gone cashless and we not even know.
But me tell them, you know, auntie, me tell them, you know, the new money on them for refuse, me tell them for refuse the new money, you know. But I be a post them a post about everybody want to have new money to make YouTube video. How them full, you know, auntie, every single jack soul want the new money now. To show up on social media to get views so they have new money. Andrew only use that as a sham to get off all of the legitimate original money off of the road. And when then the money start get problem, whatever what you think will happen, them not going to spend no more money if you print no money as con to them. Them have to accept this digital currency by force. Me tell them, I'm going to hear some more auntie I say. Remember me tell you, know, a judgment. Remember I say the man, I beg God forgive him, you know. Hear some more.
Just like that by a con, because let me tell you something. Anywhere Billy Goat go, if it take out experiment and give fee money, it have to be done. And the government now go on losing life, so they have to carry out because it don't give over us. People ain't get $5,000, how much $1,000, you know? I sell for over to him, you know, when they take money, you know. So where them nobody no for quarrel. All who no vote, no for say nothing. Because I know if you can't see wicked man go in and you know try to stop it with your vote. You sit down say you not vote and like say when it affect you, you think so when it's foreign is the answer. Foreign not the answer because when you run come for foreign here. Look how much month you have winter and look how much month you have summer. And your body start lack of vitamin D. You know see it. You come and you have a natural food of Jamaica and you have to give up that. And run well fit and where the white man them do them. Then come and build hotel. And when they come and build the hotel and everything, then come and enjoy where we are run from. Come in and feed them prison, in and feed them freezer. And we sick. And we just have to go to the feed them hospital. And then experience power we and suffer with life. Go while we have with nice paradise at Jamaica. We kill off one in a politics name. And come. And you know see the man turn me in a cashless in a smart way. Because them, look you know, the man give us only tie in our hands our money. We rub off like a crayon. And I try to take our money because we gone cashless and we don't know. Andrew Holness is a con man, you know. Andrew Holness is one of the biggest con man ever enter politics of Jamaica, you know.
And I'm going to tell you, auntie, a civil war will break out in Jamaica, you see.
Ball out! Whoa, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out. From Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody
man or woman,